Hello and welcome to YtbCracks channel, this episode of Facts About the World. Today we're taking you on a journey to the heart of South America to discover 10 interesting facts about the Amazon rainforest. Get ready to be amazed. The Amazon rainforest is a breathtakingly beautiful place and holds a special place in our planet's history. Let's dive in and uncover some of the amazing secrets this forest holds. Number 10. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, covering over 6 million square kilometers in South America. Number 9. It is home to over 10% of the world's known species, including jaguars, monkeys, sloths, and parrots. Number 8. The Amazon forest produces 20% of the world's oxygen and is often referred to as the lungs of the planet. Number 7. The Amazon River, which runs through the forest, is the second longest river in the world and has over 3,000 species of fish. Number 6. Indigenous communities, including the Kayapa, the Yanomami, and the Ashaninka, have lived in the Amazon for thousands of years and have extensive knowledge of the forest and its resources. Number 5. The Amazon rainforest is also home to many valuable resources, including rubber, Brazil nuts, and medicinal plants. Number 4. Deforestation of the Amazon rainforest has been a significant issue in recent years, with large areas being cleared for agriculture, mining, and other activities. Number 3. The loss of the Amazon rainforest also contributes to climate change by releasing carbon into the atmosphere and reducing the Earth's ability to absorb carbon dioxide. Number 2. Efforts are underway to protect the Amazon, including creating national parks, supporting indigenous communities, and promoting sustainable agriculture. Number 1. The Amazon rainforest is not just an important environmental resource, but also a source of cultural and spiritual significance for the people who live there and for people around the world. And there you have it, folks. 10 interesting facts about the Amazon rainforest that will surely leave you in awe of its beauty and significance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating facts about our world.